Look at the suction power first. Then look at the blowing power. 20 years ago, it was towels. 10 years ago, it was the world of old-fashioned vacuum cleaners. This is the Equi upgraded multifunctional vacuum cleaner. It's the size of a palm. Blow the dust out of windows and doors and it's clean with different nozzles. It can also inflate and vacuum. You can use it in the car and at home.
When you buy a vacuum cleaner, you get a vacuum cleaner, inflatable dust blower, vacuuming, and a washable replacement cartridge. 2 brush heads, that's 9 for the price of 1.